Hello friends, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's make a super tasty evening snack recipe, crispy corn. This snack is so very tasty and healthy that you can snack on with your tea. All the ingredient list is given in the description box. Please check it out. To start with, you need some boiled corn. You can use boiled or steamed corn, both work perfectly fine. Into that add in some red chili powder, some cornstarch and some salt. Now mix it up using a spoon and press each corn kernel while mixing. This will help the powders to stick to the corn and it will not burst while frying. And you have to make sure each corn kernels is well coated with the powders. Now heat some oil in a pan and try putting one corn to check the heat, and once it starts to float on top, you can drop in rest of the corns. Don't overcrowd it, just add little by little. Give them a slight mix, and after some time you can see all these kernels have started floating on top, and allow it to fry for some more time and then take it out into an absorbent paper. Once all the corns are fried, without any delay, let's start preparing a masala mix. Add in some dry mango powder, red chili powder, a pinch of garam masala and some cumin powder. Give it a mix and our spice mix is ready. Now let's take the fried corn, add in half lime juice, add the spice mix powder and give a good mix. Now add in some chopped coriander leaves, and that's it. Our tasty and healthy evening snack, crispy corn, is ready. You can have it right away with a cup of tea. So definitely try this recipe at home and give this video a big thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and don't forget to hit that bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique videos from our channel Grey Pot. Do check it out. Thank you.